Well, YouTube, I just showed me my fish, but I got birds also. These are babies here. They're about maybe a few months. They're too young to tell what they are. Males probably, but there's another brother or female. That's a baby right there. Let's see. It's pretty hard to say, but anywho, let me back away a little bit. Inside the aviary, that's the father. Mother's inside the house there, tending on some new babies that they have. Anyway, I'll let everybody know how you can contact me through my email or a number. Okay, thank you. Local sales.